Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video I am going to show you how to make the dough using a KitchenAid. Cut the butter in pieces and add the flour to the KitchenAid bowl. Add the pieces of butter and cover it with flour. On low speed, mix the dough until the pieces of butter are the size of lentils, like we did when we mix it by hand. Add water little by little until all the pieces comes together. Cover the dough with plastic wrap. Try to grab all the pieces from the bowl. The dough is ready. Just refrigerate it for about 20 minutes, or you can freeze it for 10, or you can keep it in the refrigerator up to a week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.